Hey everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to do my How to Kill a Kit with Style share for April. And I'm going to do like I did in January, where I'm bringing in a collection I've started to use, but I haven't finished it. So this is the beautiful collection from, oh my goodness, Cocoa Vanilla, and it's Bohemian Dreams. I've done a few layouts, so I've done this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and I'll go over them in more detail during my share at the end of the month. But like I said, I have some more. This is like the second kit I ever received from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and yes, so let me show you what I have to work with. Alright, I still have basically this entire cut file because I only cut off just a little chunk up there, so I've got a nice cut file to play with. And I've got some of the chipboard pieces and the stickers. And then I've got a few of these little gems that came in my kit that Christina sent me, and a little heart. And then there's some more goodies in here, which is like the ephemera pieces, a couple pieces of chipboard that have fallen out. There's a wood veneer and a flare. There was some more, but I've used them. And then these really cool little resin hearts. Those are flowers. So those are the like, oh my goodness, you know, the embellishment parts to this kit that I haven't used yet. And I probably will do like I did with my other one, where I'm just trying to finish up the papers and stuff and use the stuff, but I'll bring in other stuff from my stash if I need to. I'm not worried if it's just all one thing. Paper wise, I have some scraps. These are the 6x6 pieces that I really utilize basically already. I've got, this is like my largest piece there. And then I have a good chunk of this one left. And this one, I love that purple. There's some of the blue with the really pretty different colors on the back. I love this one with all the different strokes of color there. And there's that purple. There's the bigger size of the heart and the blue. I was trying something on that and it didn't work, but that's okay. I like those hearts anyways. That beautiful dark blue with the beautiful floral. And then full pieces left, I have this one, wood grain one, that is just so beautiful. But the back of it is that. And then, oh, almost a whole piece of this one with the checkered. And then I've got two pieces of that. And this beautiful pink heart one, which the back of it is the cut apart, which is probably why I haven't touched it, because, you know, I don't want to mess up the cut apart probably. So super simple. There's not a ton to it, right? I've worked with it already, but I'm excited to finish it up because it's such a beautiful kit, and I definitely want to create some more layouts with it and get this kit killed and call it good. So this is my How to Kill a Kit share for the month of April, and please make sure you go check out everybody else's, and I will see you soon with using this product. Bye!